Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy in a machine. First, let's get everything ready. Make sure your cotton candy machine is sparkling clean and fully preheated. This is key for perfect results. Find a sturdy, flat spot for your machine, keeping it clear of anything that could catch fire. Have your favorite floss sugar and a stack of cones or sticks ready to go. Double-check that all the machine's components are properly put together before you begin. Now it's time for the magic. Gently add 1 scoop of your chosen floss sugar directly into the center receptacle of the machine. Be careful not to overfill it, as too much sugar can cause a mess. Once the sugar is in place, switch on the machine's motor. You'll soon see the heating element begin to melt the sugar, transforming it into those delicate, sugary threads we all love. Keep an eye out for the first wisps of candy appearing. As the sugary threads start to emerge, grab a cotton candy cone or stick. Hold it horizontally, just above the spinning head of the machine. Begin to slowly rotate the cone, allowing it to gently catch the delicate sugar strands. Move the cone in a smooth, circular motion around the inside edge of the bowl, building up your fluffy treat. Keep collecting until your cotton candy reaches your preferred size and fluffiness. It's so satisfying to watch it grow. Your delicious, homemade cotton candy is now ready. Serve it right away to enjoy that fresh, melt-in-your-mouth experience. Once you're done, remember to turn off the machine and let it cool down entirely before you start cleaning. A simple wipe down of the bowl and the spinning head with a damp cloth should do the trick. Finally, store your cotton candy machine in a clean, dry spot, ready for your next sweet adventure. Enjoy your treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.